we are free of limitation.
This is a yogi bop. Yes, we're gonna have a talk through some hip-hop. Who needs clocks? Get lost in the timeless joy as this ship rocks. Witness all the business, just listen. We're gonna unfold what's the human condition. There's so much truth, but beware superstition. Every claim must be tested in one's path of living.
We are living in vibration.
So then he's like, gama pa.
We are free of limitation.
Gama pa.
Vibrations. A word you must have heard many times before, especially if you have come to Sahaja Yoga programs. We talk about it all the time. But what are these vibrations? Let's start with a look at our heart chakra. In the left heart, there is a flicker of light which is burning all the time, pretty much like the pilot flame on a gas stove. This light is our Atma, our spirit, and it is a reflection of the Paramatma, the divine, as if in a mirror. When our Kundalini energy rises and opens the Sahasrara, our crown chakra, we start feeling the subtle energy that comes from the divine. This energy is all-pervading, going to everyone and everywhere. It is in every cell, in every atom, in every particle. The divine energy passes through the Sahasrara into our heart through a very subtle channel, and when it reaches this flicker in the heart, the energy starts immediately flowing through us. Our spirit establishes a connection with the divine, and we become one with this power. Before the Kundalini awakening, we are not aware of it, because our Atma, our spirit, is in our unconscious. But once we are realized, once the Kundalini has been awakened, once we are connected, we begin to feel the light of the Atma in the form of vibrations. We feel them through our central nervous system, which is our awareness, and we can now expand our conscious awareness. We will start grasping subtle things very fast, things we did not understand before. Our nerves start emitting vibrations, and our personality becomes very peaceful and joyous. When the light of our spirit, our Atma, becomes subtler, then it gives radiance, and a subtle growth within us takes place. This radiance is the subtle of the light of which we are made. Our faces start shining because they too have radiance. Now you may ask yourself, where do these vibrations come from? Do they come from me, from others, the cosmos, or the atmosphere? The answer is, the vibrations come from everywhere. They are the vital force of life. They are waves of the absolute. They are divine love. These vibrations give you a complete balance, correcting your physical, mental, and emotional being. They give you a complete spiritual oneness with God and integrate you completely. Sometimes they can even be captured on camera. Physiologically, you can feel vibrations on your hands, on your fingers. A rapport has been established between the spirit and yourself. You begin to feel the language of the universe, which is spoken by the different energy centers that communicate with our hands. You might have felt this already in your meditation or in a Sahaja Yoga class you have attended. A little tingle in your finger, a gentle breeze on your palms. Yeah, these are the vibrations communicating with you. Scientifically, you can say that the parasympathetic gets activated as you jump into the universal unconscious. After your next meditation, ask the Divine a fundamental question, and you will see the vibrations will answer you. You will receive the answer in your hands. In the same way, you can also give vibrations. They not only flow into you, they also flow out of you. For example, if you have a plant that doesn't look so good, with a little care and vibrations, the plant will look healthy again. Or when you feel an imbalance in your chakra, or someone else's, you simply move your hand in a clockwise direction around the chakra. The nerve ends of your fingertips emit vibrations, and the chakra will feel it. It's a good thing to keep a flow of taking and giving vibrations, and it helps you to keep you in balance. It is also possible to send vibrations to someone you know is in trouble. There are no border restrictions. Since we are all part and parcel of the whole, you can send vibrations to someone who is physically located on the other side of the world. Simply open your hands, write the name of the person in your left hand, and ask the Divine for help carrying the vibrations to the person in trouble. If you start feeling a cool breeze on the palms of your hands, you know that the Divine is taking care of it. Go ahead, try it out, experiment, and see for yourself. One of the goals in Sahaja Yoga is to become more and more subtle and receive and notice more and more vibrations. For the first time in human history, we are able to diagnose the state of our own subtle system and correct the imbalance through the various natural methods. Daily meditations, foot soaks, and getting together with other Sahaja Yogis will definitely help on this journey. The flow of vibrations and joy are best to feel on those occasions. To us, the vibrations are proof that God exists.
Yesterday I saw the whole sky was filled with color and light. As you know that vibrations have light. It's very light flickering, very small light each particle of vibration has. And you can see that. But when there are too many, then they can be caught up by your cameras. But yesterday I think the clouds got vibrated. And it's a very great thing to get the clouds vibrated. If the clouds are vibrated, the rain will be vibrated. The rain is vibrated, the land will be vibrated. All the crops that are to be germinated will be vibrated too. So when it goes into the body of human beings, they'll get also vibrations. Is the best way now is to vibrate the clouds, I think, if you have to have many more people for Sergio. That's the idea came into my mind last night, that why not vibrate all the clouds? That's the best way. Moreover, the vibrations are very tiny bit, with one point going into a half circle normally. This half circle then combines to make Om sometimes. Sometimes it makes a chain. Sometimes it gathers together to make crosses. But the basic thing about them is that they can think. And think very fast, much faster than human beings can think. And they are extremely collective, extremely collective. So they move together, thinking the same way, understanding the same way in an absolute manner, and work out the whole thing in a very beautiful, silent way that you cannot even feel.
Attention! Now we have a carton.
Cartoon! It's called cartoon!
Attention! Now we have a carton.
Do you see that girl over there? Yes? What about her? She has a very interesting way to pick out books. What do you mean? Well, look at her. She stretches out her hands, then walks along the shelves and stops at one point, pulls out a book, and that is what she's going to read. What kind of books? Well, nice ones. Huckleberry Finn, Anne of Green Gables, Never-Ending Story. Harry Potter? Hasn't touched it. I wonder what she picked now.
Hello! I like to take out this one.
Oh, The Lion, the Witch and the Wardrobe. Good choice. May I ask you how you decide which books to read?
Well, I picked the one with the coolest vibrations, of course.
Huh? What do you mean with coolest vibrations?
The book that gives out the cool energy when I check it with my hands.
Oh,
I could explain it to you, but it would be so much easier if I could show you how it works. It all starts with the awakening of your own energy. Hold out your hands and close your eyes.
thank you for watching our video. Sri Mataji's words are the true source of our knowledge. We hope they have been communicated in the right context for our series on advanced Sahaja Yoga themes. Please subscribe so you can join us next time when we present a new topic. Jai Shri Mataji.